Preview.
Yeah.
Hello friends, I'm Pushti from Kids Fun Club, and today we are going to draw a cartoon giraffe.
Cartoon giraffe. How does it look like?
I don't know.
It looks like a giraffe, obviously,
Yeah.
but it would look like a cartoon one.
Yeah. Cartoon.
Let's start. Drawing. Need a black sketch pen.
And baby, I have few colors. Let's start drawing.
So we start with the face.
Yeah.
No, we start with the neck. That is the baby giraffe.
No, it's not a baby giraffe.
Yes, it is.
I'm not going to make the neck too much long because it's a baby giraffe.
And the tail.
Are you so fast?
Yes.
But it's an easy drawing. You want to be first.
Yes, I will be first anyways.
What are you saying?
I am saying that you are not saying.
I know you're saying something else.
I am done. Are you done, Parikshit? Not yet?
No.
Wow. I'll start coloring. Okay.
Oh my, this will look like a giraffe.
Yeah, it does.
One extra leg.
Come on, go fast.
One extra leg.
What?
It became one extra leg.
Parikshit, giraffe has 5 legs. Have you ever seen a 5-leg giraffe?
I'm going to make a 6 leg then.
Parikshit will show us.
Take. This is a futuristic.
Futuristic giraffe.
Yeah. Future cartoon giraffe.
Future cartoon giraffe. And so in future you mean giraffes are going to have 6 legs?
Yeah.
And how many legs are human beings gonna have?
Yeah, in future they are also going to have 5 in future. I didn't have to color it differently, right?
Okay. I'm done with this drawing of a very easy, fun drawing for kids of a giraffe.
You can follow Papa's or mine.
Yes.
Yeah, you can follow him, his, because it's a real giraffe. Mine is a
Futuristic giraffe. While we wait for Parikshit to finish his drawing, parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub. We will see you. We'll wait for your drawings because that is why we are drawing these drawings. We want you to learn and we want you to have fun. Parikshit is also done with his drawing.
Papa, can you write real and future?
Right?
And
Ding, 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 ding. That's
future.
real. Future spelling is wrong. F-E-T-U-R-E. We are done with the drawing of this cartoon giraffe. The cartoon baby giraffe, right?
Yeah.
So see you in the next drawing. Until then,
No,
have
Papa, wait. Yours is actually not a baby.
Then what is it?
It's a grown up.
No, it's a baby giraffe.
No, it's grown up.
It's a baby kid giraffe.
Then the neck should be not this long.
Why?
No.
Why?
It's a baby.
So babies also have long necks.
Not a lot.
Yes, they do.
No, not like their mom and it.
They do have. Obviously, the mom and dad giraffes are so tall. This is a small giraffe.
Yeah, mine is much better.
Yeah, yours is always better. Give me a high five. Yo!
Hooray!